Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best tailgate portable generators in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Generac Gp2200I Inverter. Weighing in at a relatively modest 46 pounds is the next portable generator on our list, and it's this model inverter. This is a model that again sits in the middle of the price scale for tailgating generators, and it runs an 80 cubic centimeters engine that puts out 1,700 watts of constant power, peaking at 2,200 watts for starting power. This generator is parallel ready, and it has a 12-gallon tank that can run at 1/4 power output for nearly 11 hours. There's a decent selection of outlets on this device, and the overall shape and size of it makes it easy to carry and store between uses. A word of warning, especially if you're going to use your new portable generator for tailgating. The manufacturer doesn't specify a noise value of any kind for this product, but we found out that it's a bit over 60 dBA when fully loaded. There have also been a few problems reported with the Generac in terms of general build quality, poor warranty backup and service arrangements, and even with faulty recoil cords and trouble starting the unit. In terms of specifications, this compares well. In terms of cost and reported problems and issues, it does not. Number 2. Our second best pick is WEN56200I gas-powered portable inverter generator. The second generator on this list is this one, and it's a decent little unit for not too much cost. This has an 80 cubic centimeters for stroke engine, and the generator puts out 1,600 watts rated, and 2,000 watts at peak power, comparing well to similarly sized units on the market. Under quarter load conditions, its entry throws out 51 dBA of noise, and this unit is fully parallel capable. WEN56421 is a separately available kit for parallel connection. The manufacturer claims that the 1-gallon tank will enable running time of 6 hours at a 50% loading rate, which is modest compared to some other units. This whole generator weighs in at just 48 pounds, which is a great tick in the box for this unit, and you won't break your back moving this thing from place to place. In terms of outlets and ports, this portable generator has 2 3-prong 120V sockets, and a single 12V DC outlet. You also get one handy 5V USB port, which is great for charging portable devices and phones. This generator isn't going to win any major prizes, but it's a great option if you're on a budget and will do most stuff that you want a tailgating generator to do, without giving many frills and thrills. Number 3. Our third best pick is Champion Power Equipment Portable Inverter Generator. You can't mention the best generators for boats or RVs without pointing out this power equipment inverter generator. It is one of the best power equipment manufacturers and offers various models that could meet everyone's needs. One of the best features we liked about this is that it is extremely quiet. It generates around 53 dB of sound, which sounds like an electric transformer. This compact generator weighs around 39 pounds, so it is possible to take this generator out. Another highlight of the unit is its control panel, which comes with 2 X120V outlets. This generator can charge various mobile devices and small household robots such as heaters, juicers, coffee makers, fans, etc. Although it is a very lightweight mobile generator, its panel also features an economy mode. The economy mode reduces gas wastage and allows it to run more efficiently. Also, this is a dual-fuel generator. It uses gasoline and propane. If you want extra power, this small inverter generator might be the best option for you. This generator comes with all the features you would need and expect from a small portable generator for home, boating, RVing, or camping use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is YAMAHA EF2200I Inverter Generator. This is another inverter-type portable generator. It runs a little more noisily than the Honda entry on this list, at a maximum level of 65 dBA, but that's still reasonably low noise for the power it provides. You get some great specs with the YAMAHA. Included is a fuel shutoff, so you'll be keeping that carb cleaner for longer. This is a recoil pull start, same as with the Honda model, and although that's not as easy as an electronic start button, this unit has had great reviews in terms of easy starting every time, and the fuel shutoff will only help with that aspect of things. This is a slightly heavier than the Honda above, at a hair over 55 pounds, but some of that inconvenience will be covered back by its runtime of 10.5 hours on 25% load, measuring up at a modest 79 cubic centimeters. There's a fuel management system here too, which YAMAHA are calling a smart throttle, and that'll save you big on fuel costs. You get the same power output capacity with this unit as with the Honda, but compared to Honda this unit features Twin-Tech trademark, which allows you to hook up two generators together to produce up to 30 amps of power. The choice between the Honda and YAMAHA machines is a tough one. It's going to come down to whether you want it to weigh a little less, or if you need a couple of extra runtime hours. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Ryobi Bluetooth gasoline-powered digital inverter generator. It has a long name and a reasonably long list of features to its name. If you go for such things, this unit features Bluetooth technology which allows you to adjust and control things such as shutting off remotely, and enables monitoring of fuel level, power consumption and remaining runtime, by using any iOS or Android device. This is another inverter-type portable generator, and the fuel efficiency system incorporated in this case also gets a catchy name. This time, it's idle down. You get rear wheels as standard with this unit, unlike some other efforts that require a separate kit for that, and even though it weighs in at 56 pounds, it means moving it around on the ground will be a bit easier. This generator is fully parallel capable, and because the unit starts out with a peak power output of 2,300 watts, that gives you the potential to create quite the power source if you do decide to double up. There's a reasonably small 80 cubic centimeters engine here, but it does throw out a fair bit of noise when you run this unit hard, and that measures at just under 68 dB, which is getting up the available scale for a tailgating generator. Again here, there's a 1.2 gallon tank that gives about 10 hours of run time at 25% power consumption, and the array of ports and outlets is good. Starting is carried out via a standard recoil cord. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.